Hey everybody, John from IPT. Today we're going to be removing and replacing a Nissan valve body for your 7-speed autos. There's also more Nissan links in the description below. Alright, the first thing we're going to need to do is take this clip off the main case connector. Take the pan off. And then we're going to take the output speed sensor connector out of the valve body. Next, we're going to remove all of these bolts and lay them out according to their length. This last bolt is a special shouldered bolt that is used for valve body alignment. It's got a corresponding smaller hole in the valve body, and you can see that the diameter of the bolt is different. Put that on the side. Now we're going to have to take the valve body off of the transmission, giving the case connector a little push to get it through the case. Okay, so here are 5 different bolt length sizes. These that hold the bracket are marked with a B on top. We're going to place the valve body down, being careful to simultaneously push the case connector through and properly engage the manual valve. We'll show a close-up of that in a second. First, I put the bolt in with the bracket, and you're going to put all the bolts right back in the same holes from which they came. This special shoulder bolt goes in this hole. And when you tighten these all down, you're going to make sure you tighten that one down first because it provides alignment for the valve body. Once all the bolts are hand threaded, an output speed sensor is plugged back in. We're going to go ahead and tighten these down a little bit. The reason we only tighten them down a little bit is because we're going to use a torque wrench and torque them to 80 inch-pounds when this is all done. So the specification is 80 inch-pounds. You could go over them a couple times if you feel more comfortable. And the last thing we're going to have to do is put this clip back in. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.